Welcome back to Life Chronicles, where we talk about the wins, the losses, but most importantly, the lessons, y'all. Because after the lessons comes the blessings. Now, it's been a minute since I dropped a video, but I just wanted to say I didn't forget about you. But also, sometimes you got to grow in silence. And part of that journey for me has been learning to keep my mouth quiet, shut, closed, not letting everyone know my next move, because I think when I tell people things that I aspire to do, who I'm transforming to become, it kind of bothers people. And this might be happening to you in your life where you feel like you telling someone something and I don't know, you just don't get that same oomph, that same excitement from them versus when they tell you something, how you so happy and ecstatic for them, they don't give you that same energy. And personally, I'm not mad, but I just know I want that same vibe. And I think it irritates a lot of people because the competitive nature, right? Comparing yourself to others, they could be comparing themselves to you. You could be the gold standard. And they could see their life and be like, man, I'm not living like how they living. I'm not doing as good as they doing. And look at social media. It don't make it no better, right? Right? People put their best pictures there, right? Best videos, best posts, living their best life. That's what be happening. And I guess for me, I'm just starting to notice that in a lot of people that I come across who know me on a personal level, you know. If you're a stranger, I don't expect you to be, you know, I don't want to say rooting for me, but I don't expect you to get excited for my news. Boy, that yawn was fighting me. It had to get out there, you hear me? But that's just confirmation that a lot of people, they tired of your good news. They tired of you. Some people tired of you winning because your winning season might come when they in the valley, you know? When they down and out. And you got to be okay with that. Just know, everyone you share your news with, they're not happy for you. But we don't want to focus on that, right? We want to focus on the people who get excited when we come around. When we start talking, their eyes light up, they get big. And that's who we want to be around. I mean, ultimately, I don't want to be around no one who's not happy for me, you know. But I also can celebrate someone else as well. So if you doing good, I'm happy for you. In fact, I like to celebrate people wins, right? So when birthday come around, I want to celebrate their birthday more than them, right? But I'm happy to be with them in their presence, and it's just good to see people happy. I've been around people sad, crying, depressed, you know. But every time I see you, it don't need to be a funeral. So I've been mindful of who I share my information with, and I really don't post a lot online and things like that, but that's just me. I've always been like that. It's not like a phase I'm going through right now. You know, I like to keep things to myself, but I do get excited and I like to share with people that I know. Now, of course, my videos are raw, uncut. I do want to start editing my videos. I'm pretty sure I can make them a lot better, but it is what it is. For me, it's all about going to the next level. Even if you get 0.00001% better, you're better than you were yesterday. And I hope you're doing better than you were before you saw this video, because I've been up since about 4:30 in the morning so I can see why my yawns is kicking in. But something told me to drop this video, so I just had to drop the content. And I appreciate everyone who support me. You like my videos, you share my videos. Add it to a playlist, man. Add it to the playlist. Droop the loop. Stay in the loop, always in it, never out of it. Never count me out. I never count you out. We rooting for each other. My vibe, my tribe. That's how I roll. Keep it simple. But as always, peace.